Hello guys, I am Sheikh Anisur Rahman. Welcome to my channel Compu Geeks. Today I am going to show you Express Guide to FL Studio. So let's see how it's working for music production work. First of all, you need to install or download FL Studio 11 or 10 or 8, anything you want to. Then already I have installed my FL Studio 11. So let's open it. Uh, when it's open, then just like interface it look like this. You could see it. First you see FL Studio 11, then is minimized, then maximize and close is here. Some file, your project you want to save it, that's option is here. This is project rack, browse file, anything. This interface is here. This is step sequencer, and this is your music instrument channel rack, just like kick. This is clap. Okay, this is channel rack for music instrument. This is volume slider. Your project sound is low or down. You you could low or high, then you slide down or slide up. And this is pitch note, your music note pitch high or low. There is timing, you could see it. And in the down you could see pattern mode and song mode. When is pattern mode is activate, and click on song mode, there's song mode. Your project, when you're ready, then you could not play this pattern mode. Okay, then you activate pattern mode. Play, pause, play and pause and stop. And this is recording. Record your score, audio clip, and automation, etc. What you want. This is tempo rack. Yeah, how is, what is your, project tempo? That means your current project is high, low song. You could slide down low range tempo set, adjust your tempo, and adjust your tempo is high when your song is EDM, just like trains, etc. Here is pattern mode. Now is select 2, number 2. Here you could see a pattern 2. And it is in the typing keyboard piano roll. When you activate, you could type your piano, draw your piano roll using a computer keyboard or any MIDI keyboard. Here in a countdown before your recording, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then you could activate your when click, this is activate, and click on this is deactivate. And this is metronome. Metronome is your project is ready, then 1 2 3. This is song, that's just like this sound, 1 2 3. This is metronome option. Now it is activate this metronome song. Okay, next, this is step editor mode. That's mean you edit your MIDI keyboard, and you're using computer keyboard, then it activate. You draw like I'm using a computer keyboard. That's I press that's any key, just sound like this and draw. This this work is just like this, but I don't need to now. This is deactivate and step search time marker. This option is here. This is deactivate and activate. This is main snap and quantities step editors line. Now select is line, and you could select cell or anything, none or bar, step, anything you want to do your project. And last then select your view playlist option. You could activate this playlist option. Your project is ready, then you could arrangement your playlist. Here is it, playlist option. You could deactivate or activate, just click. This is view step sequencer. That's mean this is option, view step sequencer. This is channel rack, instrument channel rack, kick, clap, hat, snare. You could create that any basic beats with your channel rack, instrument channel rack. Just like sound is, right click on kick, insert, right click on kick, fill each four step, four step, and same way to clap, fill each, just sound like this. Same way to making a basic beat, and this is browse channel rack. When I click, then it's disappear, and when I click again, this appear. And last thing is there's mixture, channel mixture. Your project is ready, you could mix your music, then it's working. And when your work is ready, and any wrong wrong thing, then you could undo your project. And last thing is save, record your voice, record your audio editing and everything. So this is some basic interface of FL Studio 11. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't be late.